it's your girl Adela and you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Today I wanted to do my makeup with this new palette that I've got. It's the Sample Beauty Painters palette, and I got this basically because it was only £12 and it was retailing. It used to retails for £30, but then it was on offer for £12, so I thought, you know what, why not? I might as well just get it, you know, just because. And it's a really beautiful palette. I have already done a review of it, a little review of it in my last haul video. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I will leave the link up there. So obviously this is the palette and this is what it looks like. And like I said, I wanted to do it on camera for you guys to see how the palette performs. So let's get straight into it. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I have gone ahead and done my brows and prepped my eye area with each product. So I've done my brows with the NYX Cosmetics and Precision Brow Pencil, and the Tinted Brow Mascara. I've used the Be Perfect and Prime to prime my eyelids, and I've used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder to set it. For my concealer, I have used the Makeup Forever Cream Camouflage palette. So this is the palette. I'm going to start with what look should we do today. I'm going to try and use as many colors as possible. So there's a lot of reds, cool tones and warm tones and everything. So we're going to see what we get up to. Right, so I'm going to dip into these I'm going to dip into this shade called Truffle. It's an orangey shade. Yep, and then just going to use that. Next, I'm going to go in with this deep shade called Vivid. This deep burgundy shade called Vivid. I'll put that just in there. That is really pigmented. I'm going to have to blend out the edges of that. It's really pigmented. I should have just dipped my brush in just a little bit. Ooh, I didn't expect that to be that much, have that much pigment. Just going to use the brush I used before, blend out the edges of that, because that is looking really deep on there. It's looking better, a bit softer. Right, so I'm going to go into this deep purple shade called Cadus. Put that in right in the crease. Oh, that is something else. That is stunning. Ooh. Hope you guys can see that. Really nice. Ooh. I'm just doing that in circular motions, just blending that color into the crease. Looking good. Wow. Right, so I'm gonna try and go in with another cool color. We've gone from warm to cool. Let's go for that deep green. I don't know, would that work? Let's try that deep green, see how that works, blends in. Ooh. So just in the corner. Just in the middle of my crease. How gorgeous is that? Wow. That is looking really good. I'm gonna try and do a little bit of a cut crease.
So I'm cutting the crease with the Makeup Forever Cream Camouflage palette.
Just a half cut crease. So I'm just going to put this silver color in the corner, in the inner corner. Just bring that up. It's a bit more glittery than just shimmery, so just putting that all over the white. I'm just going to do my eyeliner just halfway with the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Eyeliner. Okay, So I'm using an eyeliner, a dark blue eyeliner. This is a Diego de la Palma eyeliner in the shade 34. Stay On Me eyeliner, it's called. Sorry, that's my dogs. They're going for a walk and they get overly excited. Using the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang mascara. I always like to put use a mascara before I put my lashes on. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Yeah, I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. So this is the finished look, and I have used the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop foundation, a couple of other Fenty Beauty products on my face. I've done a video to review this this Ease Drop skin tint, so you can obviously check that out. And I've also used the Fenty concealer as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add this this gold shimmer as the inner corner highlight. Just give it that pop. Okay, so this is the finished look for the eyes. I hope you guys like it. What are you thinking? You can see how pigmented it was when I was applying it, so I'm really happy with this palette. For £12, I don't think you can go wrong. I'm not sure if the offer is still on. Beautiful eyeshadow palettes, 30 colors, you know, get it. It really does do the job, and it's really amazing. And even if you were to get it for the retail price, I don't think it's too bad. There are palettes that are more expensive, they don't perform as well as this. So yeah, that's me done. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, mwah. See you soon. Bye.